Hi Brady, how you doing? I'm in my backyard. It's hailing right now. I'm sure you can see it's pretty black. Look at the hail. Ow, that just hit me. Look at that. Look at that. It's all coming down. Here it comes. Woo! Nice. I'm getting soaked right now. They're about the size of marbles. Here it comes. Wow. Dude, it's pouring. Holy cow, there was probably the one about the size of a golf ball. Ow. Dude, look at all of it. Look at the size of those things. Holy shit. Dude, they are messing crap up right now. Look at all of them. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at my yard. Dude, I've never seen it that bad. Holy cow. Holy cow. Looks like it just snowed. Can you say broken windows in the car? Wow. A cactus is probably going to fall over. The van is just getting pelted. I mean, it's just ripping shit up. I mean, it's just tearing apart the trees. All the branches are coming off of it. It is so freaking loud right now. Wow. Hope we don't have any broken windows anywhere. Dude, it just came out of nowhere. Unreal. I've never seen hail this size in Phoenix. Ever. Wow. It's coming down again really, really hard. No broken windows. Probably a few dents though. And he's driving in it. This is going on YouTube.
Where's your car?
My dad got it. I hope, and it's got a crack in the window. I hope it doesn't break.
Dude, I was like, fuck it, they're not home. I'm gonna go park underneath there. Dude, I couldn't even make it out. Did you see me try to get out a couple of times? Holy fuck! That's probably going on YouTube too.
Oh yeah. Dude, I had a one about this size.
Yeah. Dude, I just got a brand new windshield too.
Oh, I'm sure